Now we can get a little bit nerdy about the changes in the typography. So as you can see, when you see them together, absolutely being able to create from the essence something which feels new but still harks back, extending the font, teardrop characters, really strong and sharp slab serifs, which is bold, but when you clean up and take away all the dimensional aspects, it's a lovely modern stamp. And then we built a whole new library of typography. So this is one of the fonts that has gone through our internal type foundry. It talks about the genius of typography, and it's inspired by pasta. Of course, why wouldn't it be? And it's been engineered to come alive and to feel like food. Really does play into all those things, and you can see how now we took it on a journey, did some lovely motion like ligatures and expression, and again some lovely detail, and I can tell the team were very passionate about this type of work, really enjoying how you can make it come alive, and very ownable and Impera. This is Impera all over. And then it also inspired us to think about the machine and what it was then and what the machine could stand for now, and what you can do with pasta. You can invent, you can create shapes. So we built all this whole new lifescape of ingenuity. So it all peered into bringing Impera into the modern day. Really good fun and lovely work. The colour is very Italian, of course, but really celebrating shaping and your ability to shape creativity. Of course, we have to have the tote bag. Where would any project be without the tote bag? Come on. Really good fun.